Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to enable or disable SIM pin lock on any types of Android smartphone devices. It's very simple tips and tricks and enable or disable SIM pin lock. So how to do it? Let's start as a detailed demonstration in mobile screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your setting option here in Android phone. So here is my setting. It's very simple, and look it out here, security option. So here security options are available. Enter the security option. You need to find out here setup SIM card lock. So look at this here, SIM card lock options are available. I just simply open it here. So inside the SIM card lock setting, two SIM cards are available. One is a Tango and second one is a Vodafone. I already disabled this lock SIM card pin. If I enable, I need to type here my SIM card pin. So always SIM card pin are available on the particular, if you are buying the SIM card, so SIM card folder, such kind of pin are available. So now I am enable. If I am restart the mobile, so always the Tango SIM are asking me this particular pin, and if I am forgetted this pin, so I am not connect to this particular Tango SIM card in this specific my mobile. So always I off this one, because of it's mandatory to off. So next time your SIM card are not asking you any kind of pin request in your phone. And then I already disable those security, so my Android phone are not asking me any kind of pin requirement. But if you are enable and you want disable, so you can apply these tips and tricks. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.